Your Memorial Day weekend may include some outdoor plans and even travel up north. And one thing you'll need to watch out for are ticks. The CDC is reporting a record number of ER visits for tick bites, and the season is on track to be one of the worst. Fox 13's Brianna Arredondo explains what doctors in our area are seeing.
I spoke with a couple of Tampa Bay area doctors today, and they say that they are seeing tick bites come into their hospitals right there in their ER. And so tonight they shared some tips on what you need to do to keep yourself safe. Wherever there's grass, bushes, and leaves, there may be ticks. Dr. Kartik Cherbuti tells me Florida is not immune.
For the Tampa Bay area, honestly, almost every home. Not to be alarmist, but saying it's common. So just knowing that even in a yard, you can have that in your own backyards.
As the chief epidemiologist at Tampa General Hospital, he says they have been treating people for tick bites. The CDC reports a record number of visits to the emergency room for tick bites in April, the highest since 2017.
If someone's taken a picture of the tick, we can sometimes identify what kind of tick it is. And some carry human illnesses, some don't.
As school lets out for the summer and people gear up for a holiday weekend, tick season is upon us. Some ticks spread diseases like alpha-gal syndrome, where you develop a red meat allergy, ehrlichiosis, and Lyme disease.
Typically, Lyme disease will start with a red bump where that tick was, and that red bump will start to expand and get bigger.
Dr. Evelyn Huang with Orlando Health Bayfront in St. Pete says they are common, and there are steps to remember while outside.
And ticks can be very small and hard to spot, and especially checking your scalp or areas that are covered in hair, just because sometimes they can hide in there and you don't know that they're there.
She says you want to use tweezers to remove one as soon as you spot it, and watch for any symptoms like a fever or rash. Prevention is simple. Wear protective clothes like long sleeves and pants, and take a bath as soon as you get home.
What I would do with my own family is, if we're planning, know that we're going to be out in a wooded area or a grassy area. Just like we would carry our spray for mosquito-borne illness, we'll carry things that protect us both from mosquitoes and ticks.
Dr. Cherbuti says that he's actually removed a tick before while out with his family, and he says those first 24 hours are crucial to help prevent disease. Some other tips here are to make sure that you keep your grass trimmed, and also just walking in paved areas where ticks don't like to go. Reporting in Tampa, Brianna Arredondo, Fox 13 News.